Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat story history. For check Snapchat story history, the first step is to open the Snapchat app on this Android device. So here the Snapchat is opened. You will have to move in the profile icon, and from here you will go on the top right corner of settings, and from here you will just tap to memories and make sure these two options are turn it on, smart backup and flashback, and make sure the memory is saved to camera roll. So these three basic settings you will have to just follow up, and you will have to move in the my data. So here you will have to add your username and just log in to see your stories history. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.